Today we will be playing Don't Poke the Penguin. Wait, poke the penguin. Poke at your own risk. We'll start slow. Go super fast. Whoa. And here we go again. Whoa there. That was a little scary. Do 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 do. You're a mean penguin. He just cussed me out. But I have no idea what he said. Excuse you. I think that's the only one left. I want to see what happens if you poke them like really slow. Okay. Yeah, he's not gonna do anything else. See, he just keeps doing the same stuff. I wonder if he was like, ready, and poke, 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 poke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, he's not doing much anything different. So I guess that's all for Don't Poke. Wait, Poke the Penguin. Poke the Penguin.